Everyone, I will be providing a brief introduction to Project 2B and what is expected as part of submission in this video. So before introducing Project 2B's requirement, I will quickly recap Project 2A and what has been completed for it till now. So for Project 2A, we have added a standalone menu. With this, we have displayed a welcome message, then we have displayed the color test, and then we have also added a prompt for input. Along with these features, we have implemented three options from the menu, which is the first one is loading an image, then the second one was loading the test image, and then we have also completed the displaying image part. So this was the quick recap of what we have completed for project 2A. So let's move on to project 2B's requirement. So for this part of project, we will be focusing on 6 methods listed in P2 image RLE document, which can be found under project 2 inside the project folders. So this is the document which I'm referring to. So on the third page of this document, we can find the methods which are listed, and out of these, we have to complete the first 6 for this part of project. So the first one, to hex string. In this method, we have to take the data as our input and return an hexadecimal equivalent of that input data. Then we have the second method. In this method, we have to return the number of runs in our input data, which means we have to count the duplicate occurrences of each characters in the data. For example, over here we have this input data. Over here we have two unique characters, which is 15 and 4. So the output for this method, for this example, will be 2. Then the third method is encode RLE. This will convert a flat input data, which will basically have duplicates of unique characters, to RLE data. RLE data will have the count of duplicates of each unique characters. So for example, over here, the unique character is 15 and the duplicates for this characters are 3. So the count is mentioned over here 3 and the unique character is 15. Same goes for the unique character 4. Then the next method is get decoded length. In this, we'll have input data as RLE data. First, we have to convert this RLE data to flat data array, and then we have to return the length of that array. Then the fifth method is decode RLE. We have to return the decoded form of the RLE input data. That is, we have to create the flat version of the input data. Then the last method is string to data. We'll have a hexadecimal string, and then we have to convert this to byte data. So these are the 6 methods which are to be implemented in part B of project 2. For successful submission, all predefined test cases in Zybook need to pass. So as the number of submission for this part is limited to 15 submissions, please ensure that you write your own unit test cases for each of these methods to test out the methods individually. And for making it more easier, we have provided sample test cases over here, so you can test it out for each of the functions. So that's it for project 2B. Thank you. If you have any doubts regarding any part of project 2B, you can contact me on my Slack. My name is Pranali Suhasnakar. Okay. Thank you for watching.